Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to install or uninstall Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 machine. So in this Gear Up Windows you will learn how to install and uninstall Microsoft Store on Windows 11. For that I will use one command to uninstall. I will show you first how to uninstall this one Microsoft Store from your Windows 11 machine if you don't need it anymore. So click on the start button and here type PowerShell. Then right click on the PowerShell entry. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Then copy and paste this command from this video description and press enter on the keyboard. This will uninstall quickly your Microsoft Store app on your PC. As you can see, Microsoft Store app has been uninstalled from my Windows 11 machine. And if you want to install it on your PC, then you need to open GitHub website. That link you can find in this video description. After that, click on this one link latest. Then click on this one source code. Once it is downloaded on your PC, you need to extract it in a folder. It is around 70 MB in size, and you can see it has been downloaded on our PC. And now we are going to extract it. For that, right click on this downloaded file and select extract all option. Then click extract. Now open this one folder. Right click on the app store, Windows command script. Select run as administrator. Press yes if prompted. This will open a command prompt and you will see some errors message. You can ignore it. Once it is completed, Microsoft Store app will installed on your PC, and as you can see it has been completed and it is prompting me to press any key to exit. So after pressing any key from your keyboard, this command prompt window will be automatically closed, and after that you can open a store app on your PC without any issues. As you can see on my screen, Microsoft Store app is loading and you can find here everything, search and all apps. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. See you in the next video.